Hey everyone, my name is Vito and welcome back to Trident and True Hobbies. Today I wanted to share with all of you my love for the movies. Movies are a great way for us to tell stories in a visual format. And my all-time favorite movie is Gladiator. It's a 2001 film that stars Russell Crowe as Maximus Decimus Meridius, a Roman general who becomes a slave and must fight his way through gladiatorial arenas in order to seek vengeance for the murder of his wife and son. The music, the sets, the cast, everything about this movie is just absolutely...
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Now, almost 10 years ago, I had purchased some historical miniatures, some Roman miniatures to be exact, and they just sat in my closet for what seemed like a forgotten empire. However, after rewatching Gladiator for who knows how many times now, I realized that I actually had a Maximus miniature in that pile. This got me excited to the point that I wanted to finally paint this miniature, but rather make a diorama out of it. Now you have to remember, I'm 11 years old when I go watch this film. My dad takes me opening night, and the movie opens up with arguably the best battle scene ever in any movie. I still get chills watching this. It's so good. With the film fresh in my mind and the reference images handy, I set out painting Maximus. I'm mostly aiming for a non-metallic metal look, while also trying to keep most of my colors within the muted and dull palette range. I'm trying to do this because I want to imitate the colors that were in the opening scene. Now, I'm not overly concerned about high details or obvious brush strokes, as the majority of those will be covered up once I start airbrushing some object source lighting. When all is said and done, this is what my completed Maximus looks like. And obviously, we cannot forget to paint his pup. Next, we can start working on the base and the plinth that our commander of the Armies of the North will be resting on. If you like a detailed description of how I made the plinth, I've left a video for you in the top right-hand corner. To simulate early morning dawn, I'm giving the entire base a zenithal highlight of various pale blues. Then, to add more texture and colors to match a muddy Germanic battlefield, I added glazes of earthy colors such as brown, orange, and green. This is what the base looks like fully painted. With Maximus and his furry friend glued to the plinth, I painted his base to match the rest of the ground and begin airbrushing the fiery glow. For some extra details, I added yellow dots to symbolize burning embers and hit the plinth with black to clean up all of my edges. And with that, the general of the Felix legions is ready to take to the battlefield.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the Armies of the North, general of the Felix legions. Loyal servant to the true Emperor, Marcus Aurelius. Father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I certainly hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's kind of fun making these little dioramas every now and then, and I've been having a blast. So thank you for tuning in. It really does mean the most. And a special thank you to everyone who is supporting me on Patreon. You guys deserve your own legions in your own right. So thank you all so much for supporting my channel and supporting me. It really does mean the most, and I love each and every one of you. Links to my socials and my Patreon will be down below if you are so interested. But until then, I will see you guys next time. Peace.